Good morning, students. Today we will be going to start our next lecture of conservation of plants and animals. The topic name is wildlife. So, if the word is wildlife, that means the plants that are present in forest and the animals that are living in the forests. So you now know that by human population is increasing day by day and jobs are very limited, and for money making purpose human is killing the animals. So human is killing the animals for its skin, for selling its skin, and that skin is used to make so many products, and this concept is known as poaching. Now you know why animals are being killed for their skin, and this concept is known as poaching, but this is having so many harmful effects. Human directly or indirectly depends on the plants and animals that are present in the forest. So need for conservation is there. So we have to save the animals and the plants that are being reduced in number due to the poaching concept done by the humans. So the conservation means preservation. Conservation means saving. Means preservation of plants and animals to prevent their reduction, to prevent their extinction. You can say extinction means to get lost, to reduce in number. Okay, some terms are there. Before discussing this conservation concept, some terms are there. So first term is species. So species means group of animals having common features, having common features like chimpanzee, example you can take the example of this tiger, lion. They deal with the means they belong to the same group of species, means their ancestors are same. Next concept is of habitat. Habitat means a area in which an organism lives. Suppose some organisms are living in your area, that is the habitat of that organism, in which an organism lives. You can say suppose a lion lives in this area, so this is area number 1. Lion lives in this area, so this is the habitat of that lion. Some animals live on the land, so land is their habitat. Some animals live in water, so water is their habitat. Okay, and the next concept, third term, is endemic species. So endemic species are those that are found in a particular area. They are found in a particular area, so they are the endemic species. Example, you can take the example of a Asiatic lion. This is a species of lion that is found mainly in Gir National Park, Gujarat. Gir National Park in Gujarat, so it is found there. Okay, like this. Fourth term is extinct species. Extinct species are those which are lost from the planet Earth. means they are lost from the planet Earth. Okay, like dodo is there. Example, dodo, it 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 was existing before some years ago. So next is the endangered species. So endangered species are having maximum risk, and they are reducing great in number day by day, and they will become lost from the earth if no measures are taken. They are facing species which are facing maximum danger. They are limited in number, facing maximum risk, they are facing maximum risk, and if no steps are taken, they will be lost from earth. Sixth one is vulnerable species. So what are these vulnerable species? They are very low in number, and they will become endangered. They will also become the endangered if their overexploitation happens. Overexploitation means we are overkilling those animals. So this is all for today. So these are the terms you should remember. We have discussed poaching concept, we have discussed conservation concept, we have discussed species concept, we have discussed endemic species, we have discussed extinct species, endangered species, and vulnerable species. Thank you for today.